Tagal. Welcome to my channel. It is Halloween already, so we're preparing for the final reveal of this Halloween video. So, and Gigi is playing. He likes to play TV games. As before, I show you the preview of the things that I did, decorations, and now I use the pumpkin, spray it with varnish para magtagal siya inside and out. And then you just, after use, you just chuck it in the bin para wala ma-poison. So, yun. And then I put it on my lawn for extra decoration. Ayan, nakita nyo yan. Then, is the reveal. As you can see, that's the old one, and then we change it to the new one kasi nagrotten na kasi yung pumpkin, but it's nice. I bought that on the charity shop, cheaper price. Ganun din to sa kitchen, and yeah, it's all like a bowl. And my mantle, which is soon to be decorated for Christmas, coming soon yan. And that's it. Enjoy the finale. By the way, I'm going to put a decoration extra sweets, yung candies sa may railing namin. Hopefully by this coming Halloween night for the trick-or-treaters. So, because I have loads of candies to share for the kids and adults alike. So, please like, subscribe to this channel. Hope you are coming back soon to watch all my videos and adventures. And shout out to my ever loyal subscribers. Sorry that the previous winners didn't turn up or didn't message me. So I reallocated my gift to one of my subscribers already. So I hope that next time you can message me so that I can give you your prize one day. Enjoy and God bless. Bye.
Hehehehe